A heat map is a graphical representation of data where values are depicted by color. Heat maps make it easy to visualize complex data and understand it at a glance. Let's take a look at how heat maps are used by professionals across industries. Stock index heat map. In the financial market, stock index heat map help identify prevailing trends in the market at a glance. It uses a cold to hot color scheme to indicate which stock options are bullish and which ones are bearish. The former is represented using the color green, whilst the latter is highlighted in red. Geographical heat map. A geographical heat map represents areas of high and low density of a certain parameter by displaying data points on a real map in a visually interactive manner. Industries like real estate, travel, food can greatly benefit from the usage of geographical heat maps. For example, travel websites make use of geo heat maps to represent most happening and busy spots in the selected destination to help travelers make an informed itinerary depending on the kind of vacation they are planning. Website heat map. Website heat map represent the hottest or more popular and the coldest or least popular sections of your web pages using a hot to cold color scheme with warm toned colors depicting the most popular sections and cool toned colors depicting the unpopular ones. Using website heat maps, businesses can track user behavior and discover actionable insights that help them measure their website's performance, simplify numerical data, read their visitors' mind, identify friction areas by identifying dead clicks, redundant links, and ultimately make changes that positively impact their website's conversion rate. Heat map in sports. Sports heat map is actually a very fascinating use case for heat maps. By plotting heat maps of players' on-field performances, coaches and managers can identify their game patterns, performance areas that need improvement, study their rivals' possible game plan as well as strategy, and make data-backed decisions that not only benefit the player, but the entire team and ultimately their business and turnovers. To this end, heat maps help professionals from every industry. If you would like to learn more about website heat maps and other optimization tools, read our blogs at vwo.com/blogs. Thanks for watching.